Hello guys, welcome back to Yawabeh Traders channel, and we are looking at the GBP quoted USD pair. But before analyzing the market and entering our position, let me go back to the previous position, which was about GBPCHF, and we had discussed the short-term downtrend in our previous video. If you recall, this video was uploaded a couple of weeks back, where we had shorted the GBPCHF pair, and let me show you where we had entered. When the market was playing around this zone, we had entered our short position targeting from this level 1.109010, and our TP was 109410. So the market kept playing between this zone for a couple of days, and then you can see the market nicely dropped, and exactly hitting our target. The market made a strong correction, and it is still playing around this zone. So we have again, at this point, we have again an opportunity to enter short position. But let me show you the trade. So this was the trade, and it exactly hit the TP, resulting $5,502. So at this point, I'm also looking at the GBP USD pair, which is technically intending to drop further to target this zone. If we see on M30 time frame, the technical indicators are favoring us to go with short position. Even if we see the seller strength is 64% and the seller volume is 56% on M30, but if you see on H1, the seller strength is 63% and the seller volume is also 61%. If you see the histogram there, we can confirm that the sellers are actually controlling the market, and at this point the market is making, you can see the green candles, that is the bullish sign, but we still see this technical tool shows still a strong supply. So this is how about this is what actually is special about the Yawabeh SD volume suit indicator, which reveals the hidden supply and demand zones before the price action happens. So on M30 and H1, the indicators are actually giving a sell signal. So let me switch to the lower time frame, because top to bottom analysis is very important before entering any position. So if we see on M5, the market has made its lower low, and again it is having correction, and it's playing around the previous resistance level. So we got 2-3 times rejections, and if we switch to M1, the market created a new high, and then it got rejection, and then it is again in the on the way, it's the way of the possible correction. So that's the reason I'm skipping this pair. I'm turning back to GBPCHF, which sounds more reasonable. If we see on H1, we got bearish signal. On M30 also we got bearish signal, and on daily time frame it is also bearish, but on H4 it shows neutral demand. So based on the M30, H1 and day 1, we got 3 time frames that refer to short positions. So I'm gonna actually following the higher time frame, which is the daily time frame, we can see here strong red bars are forming. That is about the Yawabeh volume silk, and this is about revealing the hidden supply and demand zones before the price action happens. So right now we can see there is a strong supply based on the strength and volume of the supply. We can see the strong bearish momentum, and that's the reason we will prefer to go short. And also, if you see here the moving averages, the 100 period moving average is also having downward slope, and the 50 and 20 moving averages are actually traveling below the trend line. So that's also the reason the market is actually in the downtrend. And if you see on technical ground, on daily time frame, the market made a huge fall, and then it made correction, and it retested this previous resistance level, and now the market is forming actually short trend. So that's the reason I'm entering again my short position, this time with definitely 5 standard lots. So I entered my position here, and my stop loss is just about this. So I don't like just setting up the stop loss just exactly below the support line or above the resistance line. So I want to extend it to this level. So, and my take profit is again the present low, which is here. So in case if I lose this trade, so I'll be losing $3,428, and if the TP is hit, so I'll be making 4,000. Let me extend it, so it should be $5,134. So this is the current trade. So let's see what happens. If you want to make your trading journey simple and straightforward, you can also use this advanced tool. You can witness that we haven't spent any huge amount of time to analyze this chart and to take this position, but we simply follow the technical indicator. This help us taking the right decision on timely manner. So you can also use this indicator from our website, which is Yawabeh.com. Just 2 moments. So just a moment, got interrupted because of the. So from here you can go to product, and you can find the products. Yawabeh SD volumes plus signal volt as scanner. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.